In this video you will learn about the road mapping workspaces in ADOIT. To start your road mapping initiative and plan requirements for implementation, use the Workspaces scenario. Just click New Workspace to begin. There are 3 road mapping services available. Application-based roadmaps start from a set of application elements, such as application components or application services. Capability-based roadmaps begin with strategic elements like capabilities and courses of action. Goal-based roadmaps are built around your goals, outcomes, and drivers. Choose the one that best fits your needs. In this video, we'll create a goal-based roadmap for demonstration purposes. Start by naming your workspace. Optionally, you can add a description and select the users you want to collaborate with. Click Next to advance to the next page of the setup. Select the element types to include in your workspace. The available options depend on the selected template. For example, in goal-based roadmaps, you can include motivation elements such as goals, outcomes, and drivers. Finally, choose a prioritization method for assessing your requirements. You can either select the value versus effort method to prioritize requirements based on business value and implementation effort, or the Eisenhower matrix to organize requirements by urgency and importance. The first page of the workspace appears. Ask yourself, what goals do you want to focus on? Add them to the right side of the screen. Use the filter to find items quickly. Next, you need to define requirements for each of the motivation elements you've added. The requirements that have already been linked to a goal will appear when you click on Add Requirement. But you can also add other existing requirements or create new ones on the spot. Once you've planned all your requirements, you can proceed with the next steps. The third page of the roadmap is where you prioritize the requirements you've just defined. Just drag them to the appropriate quadrants. Now that you've defined your priorities, you can plan the requirements for implementation. Just drag the cards to the desired column on the Kanban board. Keep your roadmap up to date by tracking the progress of each requirement over time and updating their status as needed. The last page of the roadmap offers a summary of all the requirements in the workspace. You can switch between the default Kanban board view and a tabular view for a more compact visualization. Now, when you click on the Home icon, your workspace will be visible on the Workspaces Start page. Have a look at the ADOIT online help for more information.